she grown, she got confidence.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I will be doing a wash and go. So the first product I'll be showing you is the Curlsmith Curling Conditioner Oiling Cream, which I love, leaves your hair soft. And then I'll be showing you the Rose Water Curl Defining Mousse, which leaves your hair curly. You could just use that by yourself, or you could also add the Curl Bomb Moisturizing Styling Gel, which you really don't need to use both, but if you want to, you can. So now I'm just taking out my hair, and then I will be spraying it with my spray bottle. I spray my hair until it gets damped, but not too wet. So now I'll be parting my hair into 4 sections. So I clip the front away so I can work on the back sections. And then I'm just going to spray my hair some more to make sure it's really damped. It's good to work on damp hair when doing wash and go, or depending on your type of hair, wet or do it while in the shower can give some people a best result. So when doing a wash and go, I like to work in small sections, and I mean small sections because I believe that's what gives you the best definition. So first I'm going to be using a Curlsmith curling conditioner. I rub that all throughout my hair from roots to end. Once you get your small section, first I like to detangle because your hair should always be detangled. And then I'm going in with the defining mousse. I usually do one pump is good enough, and then I just rub that all throughout my hair. Make sure it gets every strand, and look at my curls just from that one product. And then here I'm using the curl balm and just smoothing out my roots so they're not so frizzy. And then basically doing the shingling method. So now I'm just going to repeat the same steps that I did on the other side of my head to this section. So here's me just showing you slow-mo what the back of my hair looks like. Look at all my curls popping and thriving like they should. So one thing I do want to point out is the next day when my hair is dried and stretched, it did feel a little crunchy and a little hard, but what I did to fix it is I sprayed water on my hair and I also put a little bit of oil. I find that to help soften the hair. And throughout the day and throughout the week when you keep stressing and wetting your hair, it does get softer and less crunchier. But I don't know if it was because of the Curl Smith that didn't get along with those two other products, but just be aware that if you use those 3 products, your hair might be hard and crunchy. Flaky, but not really too flaky in my opinion. So here's the finished product. I hope you guys love this video. Please like, subscribe, and comment. Thank you. So this is the next day. I did stress out my hair with rubber bands, but this is what it's looking like. It gets bigger throughout the week, which I love.